I'm Holly Barr, welcome to House Rules. Just because you're selling your home doesn't mean you're off the hook for routine maintenance tasks. That's especially true if you've already vacated the house. Don't neglect these maintenance tasks while selling your home. Task number 1, be sure to keep up with the yard and the walkways. You want to make sure to keep your landscaping tidy. Remove dead tree limbs, rake leaves, clean out flower beds. Also consider having lights on timer so the house doesn't look dark all the time. And don't let mail pile up in the mailbox, it looks sloppy. Task number 2, always check your gutters and maintain your roof. When it comes to gutter and roof issues, neglect can cause a serious domino effect. Overflowing gutters can lead to drainage issues which can damage your foundation. Roof cracks can also cause water damage. Task number 3, be sure to keep the critters out. Inspect the inside and outside of your home for any areas that may need to be plugged up. Take care of holes from damaged siding or fascia under the roof line, and do it quickly. Task number 4, be sure to keep your windows clean. If your house is on the market, it doesn't matter what time of year it is. You need to get those babies squeaky clean. First impressions are crucial. Task number 5, be sure to maintain your heating and air conditioning. From HVAC systems to chimneys, keep them clean and tidy. Also make sure to have the ductwork and the filters cleaned. Also consider keeping the thermostat at a comfortable temperature so that agents and buyers are comfortable when visiting your property. Staying on top of these tasks will make it so much easier to sell your home. Plus, it'll preserve the value of your property and bring you more back on your investment.